Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add any shape in the Photoshop. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. And guys, you can see menu at the left side, and here you can see ellipse tool at the bottom side. So just click on it, and here you can see rectangular tool, ellipse tool, triangle tool. So you can see different shape. So I want to add ellipse shape, so that's why I will click on it, and then when I will drag it, so you can see the shape is added. So guys, in this way you can add any shape. So if you want to fill this shape, so you can see fill options. So just click on it, and here you can select any color which you want to fill. For example, I want to select this color, so you can see this color is added. So guys, if you want to add another color, so click on it, and here you can select any color. So after selecting the color, click on OK. So you can see this color is added. So guys, if you want to add stroke, then just click on stroke, and here you can see stroke option. So just click on it, and you can add any stroke color. So after adding stroke color, you can also adjust the size of stroke. So you can see when I will move on the right side, the stroke size will be changed. So guys, in this way you can adjust the size, increase or decrease. So guys, in this way you can add shape in the Photoshop and fill the shape. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.